Okay, we've just completed 5, which we think are amazing recipes. Underneath here, you're going to see our website is always going to be running over here, and you'll be able to find our ebook there with the additional recipe and wine pairings. And what else did you put in there?
Well, there's the ingredients, the description, the wine pairing, and the nutrition tips for each of those 5.
Yes.
So plus beautiful pictures.
Yes.
And a link through to the video, this video that you're on right now. So it's a loop. And so that ebook is available on the website, and it can be downloaded by entering your email.
Joni, here we go again. Our next 5 videos are going to be about recipes and an ebook. And the ebook is called what, Joni?
It is called 5 Heaven-Bound Recipes for a Weekend at the Lake for 2.
Oh. And video number 1 is all about fettuccine, mussels, and mushrooms. Number 2, Joni.
Video number 2 is about Manitoba strawberries, spinach and avocado, and more.
And number 3 is how to make a great cold salmon dish with a sautéed sauce that includes mustard and degla dates. And number 4, Joan?
Video number 4 is all about blueberries, microgreens, and more.
Oh, they're good. But you got to stay tuned for number 5. You will absolutely love it. You should travel. You can travel across the world for this, just to come to Manitoba and eat this fish. It's called smoked Winnipeg goldeye. It is so amazing.
Amazing.
And we have several different types of recipes, but we're going to give you one this time around. But it is fantastic. Right, Joan?
Fantastic.
Ciao, stay tuned. Ciao. Wine is always good. We're at Cherry Hill, but we think so much of Sicily. We are doing, I did Sicilian, no, what is it? Sorry, Joe.
Mussels.
Mussels from New Zealand. Green mussels from New Zealand. And I did in a really nice sauce from with mushrooms, garlic, onions, and pasta.
It's really
nice
good.
pasta from Manitoba.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And it is.
How is it? Looks wonderful. Delicious. Ow.
Fantastico.
Fantastico.
Ciao.
And who's gonna wake you in the morning? And who's gonna keep you when storms are coming?
Wow, those mushrooms have come along very, very nicely. A little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And now I added the white onion, and that is just going to be perfect. Yeah, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And that's it. Ciao.
Teach me how to listen. And who gonna bring our way with all the beauty through all the heartache. Will we always?
Stay tuned to catch video number 2. It's going to be all about
Strawberries.
strawberries. Ciao.